Hi, good evening, everybody. How are you? We are live. It's Saturday night. I think after 2 weeks, I'm doing a Saturday live. Saturdays are very special to me. I don't know, for some reason they are very special to me. Why? So I thought, like, why not? Let me call the last couple of this week on a Saturday. And here we are with beautiful questions, with amazing insights, and of course, the couple themselves. So basically, Aishwarya and Ram, the couple who is going to join us in another couple of minutes, they are they are entrepreneurs. They work together, and they have a journey where they have kind of evolved as a couple. I have a lot of things, I would want you to understand about this couple and how they kind of created that interdependency and created an atmosphere where they can grow individually as well as a couple. But before that, let me give you, let me share, actually, not give you, but I really want to share something from bottom of my heart. One is that I'm really thankful for all the people who have been giving me feedbacks, giving me comments, compliments, spreading a message, sharing a word. It's just too overwhelming. I am so happy that you guys are loving me so much, and it makes me feel more and more connected to my purpose. I have always shared that I have a purpose, I have a mission for which I am doing all this series of life. And I feel that whatever you are saying, you resonate with me, you resonate with my message, and that is the reason you are here with me always, and you have given me this feedback. So I am really blessed to be in the position. I am really thankful to the universe that I have been given that opportunity to create difference in people's marriages and make their marriage a better place, a better relationship, a better happily ever after life. So I am really, really thankful, first of all, and I had decided that I will thank you. I will thank all of you who have been supporting me, I think, right from the start. We are completing almost 1 month ho chuka hai, but we are about to complete 1.5 month of life. And I remember few of you have been there in my journey throughout. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'm extremely touched. Second thing, I have got 22 buyers for my tool. 22 couples who've got my tool and are on working on my tool. And that makes me immense happy and excited that I'm going to work with 22 couples on their marriage relationships, marriage dynamics, marriage problems, marriage strengths, marriage weakness. And I'm so excited. So, yes, today is the last day where I'm going to offer you a super effective price for my tool. And there are limited seats because 22 couples at a stretch I am not going to handle. So I have kept a barrier of only 30 couples. So if you really are interested to know your relationship dynamics with your spouse, today it is. Next week we are going to switch a week. We are going to next week, guys, we are going to talk about self love. We are going to talk about how important it is to be aware about yourself, self value, self identity, self worth, even after you are in a relationship. And for that, I have amazing experts going to join us and going to talk about how important it is and how it changes the relationship dynamics altogether. So yes, the next week is all about self-love. So today is the last week where the Valentine week is getting over with our last couple, Ashwarya and Ram. And for that, I will offer you the tool absolutely in an amazing offer price. So don't worry, we'll come there to the end. And now let me, it's 9:05. Let me introduce myself to all the people who have joined for the first time. Just take a minute out, share a watch party, share this live video with all your audience who you think that can benefit out of this. So hi, this is Ruchi Hirani, mother to this amazing daughter, wife to a superhuman, a lot foodie, a little crazy but a strong believer, choreographer turned homemaker turned author, and now a couple clarity expert. And I'm so happy by saying that I am a creator and curator of happily ever after lifestyle. My mission is to help millions of newlyweds out there to literally transform their marriage into a better place and create their happily ever after. And for that, I'm doing a happily ever after live series with all the possible angles or needs of a couple, of a relationship, of a marriage. We covered finance, we covered fitness, we covered parenting, we covered so many other topics individually. So we have decided that this week I will bring the actual couples, the real couples to you guys who have worked with me through my tool, through my system, and have been there talking to me about their journey, how they have evolved as a couple, how successful they are. And today, for that, I am going to invite another couple which have kind of create an impact in my mind. So Aishwarya and Ram, would you please join us? Okay. Ashwarya and Ram, can you please join us? Amazing. So let them set the entire thing. Let them be there on the screen. Pause. Perfect. I can see you both. Hello, guys. Welcome to the live. There's
Hi,
some kind
Ruchi.
of
Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so
दोनों
much.
ने एकदम सिंक में हाई बोला. ऐसा प्रैक्टिस किया था क्या? 1 2 3
No,
हाई
no.
रुचि.
This is a couple thing, no?
Absolutely
They,
true.
they do everything in sync.
Absolutely agree. No comment on that. Hello, Rita. Welcome on live. So wherever Rita comes online, I am happy, but my audience is also happy because people love Rita, and even my guests are happy. Look at Ashwarya; she's happy that Rita is online.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy, seriously.
She is beautiful. She's helped me throughout my journey, and she's been a support, a massive support to me.
Big time.
But there is an issue in your audio, Ashwarya. So if you can just rectify it, maybe there is some kind of audio issue. I don't know. There is a disturbance coming in through. Can you just
Okay,
check
let
for
me
that?
check. Just give me a sec.
Yes, definitely. So yes, guys, if you can create a watch party, it will be amazing. A lot of people can just guys, for a fact. Meanwhile, they are just adjusting the audio. Last call with Akshita and Rohit reached up to 1,500 viewers. Can you believe that? 1,500 people watching the live, learning from the live, experiencing a different kind of aura and energy that Akshita and Rohit had created. It's beyond, like, so it was so good to see. It reached about 1,100 or 1,200 within 12 hours. So it was brilliant. Hello, Daksha Hirani. How are you? Oh, thank you for joining. Okay, she's my mother-in-law, by the way, but I do not call all these relative names on. So Daksha Hirani, please forgive me. But yes, they are back. Can you speak so
It's okay
that?
now?
Thank you so much, Rita. Thank you very much. No,
Is it
the
okay now?
I don't know. I can hear, or is it, guys? Can you just someone tell me that the audio is problematic from Ashwarya and Ram or from me? There's some issue that is going on. Guys, anybody online can just give a hint that the audio is pretty clear, or can you hear some disturbance so that we get it sorted before we ask the questions? Okay, so I think everybody is just busy watching you. So we'll jump in right there. How are you guys? Hi, I'm spoiling your Saturday beautiful night.
No, no,
Don't
no,
kill
no.
me
I
for
don't.
that.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Being entrepreneurs, it's casual. Seriously, I'm telling you.
Amazing,
Too much
amazing.
work doing.
And it's
Awesome.
Saturday. Like it's Saturday. If you are if you are seriously, there has to be some places to go on Saturday. In this COVID-19 situation, the COVID has provided us like the big time. Like we can spend our Saturday evening together. Like we have Sunday, so we can spend our Saturday evening together. And earlier it was like, yeah, we have to go somewhere, travel time and all. But now it's like we have time for Saturday. So you're not. We are absolutely thrilled to be on to be with
Yes,
you.
to be with you. Exactly.
Wow. Guys, I am going to utilize another 45 minutes of yours, and I'm going to add so much value to my audience because I have ample of beautiful questions which I will be like pulling out details from you. Ye batao, wo batao, because my audience is here to learn a lot from all the couples, and I want you to
It would
answer
be
because
our
today,
pleasure. It would
awesome.
be our pleasure.
I am super thrilled. So today we are going to cover that how interdependency helps a couple grow. and succeed in life. And I have been hearing your stories of interdependency since 15 days now, and I'm really, really looking forward to get few answers. Few of my audience wants to know, and few things that I really am looking forward to. So let us begin without wasting much time. And with that note, Ashwarya, I'm going to begin with you. Cool?
Yeah, sure.
टाड़ा
Sure.
तो कोबीसी वाला फील आता है ना टाड़ांग
Always
टाड़ांग
ladies first, huh?
yeah, so I think I would go with Aishwarya because I will connect with her very, very easily. Ram, I know we were friends before Aishwarya. You remember? We were
Yeah,
like in touch since I think the event, the mega event, if you
yeah,
remember. Yeah, so
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Aishwarya. Yeah, so I'm giving her a chance of not being my friend. So इसलिए उसको पहले दे रही हूँ. Alrighty, Aishwarya. So, you both before marriage were working independently, right? You were having your own career route. You were doing something in your job. So, what point of time you both agreed to become interdependent from independent? Because I know that you both were a very strong individual as a person. You were independent by yourself. But when did you decide to create that interdependency, and what things led into it?
So let me be honest by this, because when we get married, we thought that we will always work independently. Like he will do his job and I will be in my school work. But in 2019 there is a shift happened, and Ram really wanted to be a coach. And with his journey, I have seen him changing, and I have also become a coach with, like, by myself. And then we have seen ourselves that how much compatible we are together, and how much grow we, like how much we can grow together. So that time we have
Right.
changed a shift in, like, us together, and that made us थॉट, मतलब सोचा हमने उस टाइम कि हम साथ में जब काम करेंगे तो कितना हाई लेवल पे जा सकते हैं, वी आल्सो डोंट नो. So
Wow.
in March, Ram decided that he really want to go and work for me, and Ram will tell his story that why he joined me in the
Yes, yes,
school.
I will ask that because I'm really intrigued to ask that what was Ram thought process, But
Yes.
please complete your story first and then I'll move on to Ram.
Yes. So school में join करने से पहले we started working, become a like as a coach together. Like we were working together on with the clients, with the with all everything. So that time we realized our potential, and that way we decided to work on a same platform so that we can give as much as growth to the students also, because students are the future leaders and we really need to work on them.
Absolutely.
And we have now
Absolutely.
a dream about them, and it's a big dream actually.
And
Wow.
sorry to interrupt you. And
It's okay.
when we got engaged, so Shwarya put me put a question in front of me, like हमारी शादी के बाद, like you have a central government job and you keep traveling, like you keep shifting, they keeps you shifting. First it was Delhi, then it was Chennai, now it's Mumbai. So they will keep shifting you. I don't want to leave my school work. So on that engagement day, I told her, like you can continue doing your work and I'll be continue doing my work, because we both are independent person, and as an independent person we should be in our work. And with this thought, like we got married and we started working, and the thing, problem starts coming in, like for example, I was giving preference to my work, she was giving preference to her work. And when both of
Right.
you are working, you need some compatibility, you need some adjustment. And that was
Right.
not happening, because there was one core belief in our mind, that we are independent. And how this
Right.
belief came through social media, through TVs, through any medium, like people should be independent and all.
Right.
And things started getting worse in our relationship, because whenever I'm free, she's not free. Whenever she's free, I'm not free. And we
Right.
were
Right. This is there.
still like still we are independent, मगर हम फिर भी एक दूसरे के लिए टाइम क्रिएट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, and झगड़ा start and all. And one fine day, like this coaching act came, and we decided to give it a shot. And that day, like that coaching like made us clear, like there was a clear of perception कि हमें करना क्या है, where we are going wrong, what as a
Right.
couple where we are going wrong. And that day we started having a thought, are we really want to be independent, or are we really want to be interdependent? So that day, that coaching, and that coaching started, we became coach and we started doing work together. And that day we realized, yes, independency is not a word we should use, but as a couple, we have married each other. As a couple, we can grow only when we understand each other. And that's
Wow.
how you start becoming interdependent and all.
Amazing. So, Ram, without asking the question, you have already answered it. But with that note, I would also want to understand, in today's changing times, it is very important, that the couples have sought their relationship within themselves, they strengthen their relationship so that, things, they can stay focused in their personal lives also as well as professional life also, because already there is so much negativity around them, there's things around going in the world, and if the relationship is not sorted, I think it would be an another level of chaos altogether. So it's very important. So what according to you, that how important is for a couple to work together and earn together at such moments?
If we talk about this COVID situation, like if you're working together, like the biggest thing is like if I can guess in this COVID time, like people are getting laid off, and
Yes.
मतलब लोग की job
Financial
जा रही
stress
है,
is a big stress.
financial
Big
stress आ
problem.
रहा है, and biggest thing is like people are not talking. And
Right.
in this COVID situation, what we have learned, हम दोनों ने जो साथ मिलकर सीखा कि अगर हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, we can know each other's stressful point, because finance is a big stress point in this COVID situation, because
Right.
money नहीं आना हो रहा है, किसी तरह से लोगों की जॉब जा रही है, प्रोफेशन जो बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर कि बिजनेस इतना अच्छी तरह फ्लोरिश नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि बाइंग कैपेसिटी बहुत कम है. तो द थिंग इज कि
Right.
Being
एंड
in the education sector, education is important for everyone. Still, it is, on a very low level at this point of time.
and the
Right.
biggest stress in this our education field is like because the government is not clear about like what the school has to do, what the parent has to do. So it's not clear what they are going to do. They are going to be promoted next year or not, or they
No,
don't have to give the
right.
exam. So why they have to give the fees? But the thing is ki all putting all this situation aside, like there is a lots of stress. And when you work together,
Absolutely,
you know,
absolutely.
when you know absolutely कि कहाँ stress आ रहा है, कहाँ stress नहीं आ रहा है. And
नहीं
you
आ
are
रहा है.
like आप कह सकते हैं कि comfort pillar हो कि हाँ ये point है, ऐसे निकल जाएगा. अगर for example अगर आप दोनों अगर different जॉब में हो, तो definitely we cannot understand each other's job stress कि कहाँ क्या कमी क्या
Right.
आ रही है.
Absolutely.
But when you're working
Absolutely.
in the same field, you know कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, और द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज आप डिफरेंट फील्ड में भी जान सकते हो कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, बट जो आपका परसेप्शन होता है प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, if you're
Right.
working in the same field together, you have a very clear perception about the problem and how it is going to be solved, instead of giving the
Absolutely.
motivation talk like कि हो जाएगा, don't worry, but you are also focusing on like कि the absolute solution point कि this is the
Right.
solution, this could be the solution, we can go towards it.
Yeah.
So that's
Right.
the difference. Like instead of just providing motivation, you're also providing some action step.
Wow, amazing. Yeah, so it can also be put up in the words that when you guys are separate, you sympathize, but when you're together, you empathize. That is
Exactly.
can
Yeah,
also be
Yes.
framed.
yeah.
Oh,
It's the
wow,
biggest thing.
great,
We are
great.
in each
So
other's shoes. We know
that's true.
what are the
Abs-
problems. Yeah.
Absolutely. Where the hurdles are, where you are getting stuck, they can help you move over that. Cool. But before moving to the next question, audience, I know there is still a disturbance from Ashwarya and Ram, but if you feel that it can be worked upon, Ashwarya and Ram, did you connect any kind of headphones or something, because it's continuously there is a tick that is going on. So did you guys connect something which can be removed, or did you want, like, do you want to connect something? I don't know, that there's some kind of disturbance. I don't know, some. See, even as Rita has pointed out.
Yes. 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 Okay. Let me just come back. Uh,
Okay, all right. The technicalities happen. So, guys, you saw how how clear they are working together. They know that there is issues, but they understand each other very well because they are working together and they empathize with each other, and that's beauty of having creating environment. But it is not going to be possible for all of you because you are work in different areas of life. Somebody is into IT, somebody is into technical, somebody is into HR, somebody is into etc etc. But this is the key, that rather than just sympathizing, if you can empathize, you can create interest in each other's professional life as well as personal life, things would be much better. Hi Reena, hi all the new joinees, welcome on the call. So we had a technical glitch because of which Ram and Ashwarya left the call, but they will be probably joining soon. And with that note, my hair is going totally haywire because of all the stress. So any nutritionist, please suggest me nice hair oil so that I can, really get my hair back to normal. Right now, I look like coming from Amazonia. Alrighty, that was a super distraction point. No correction to our topic, but much needed because who wants to talk all the time? Blah 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 blah. I can always interact. Guys, what? आज मैंने dinner में pasta खाया. It was super yummy. I was preparing for the live so that I have all energy and all that mood. And good food gives me good mood. And Ashwarya and Rama back, so we can keep them talking. Okay.
So,
Can
is
you
there any
guys talk?
problem now?
I understand. I think this is little better than at least that tuck 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 going on continuously. So thank you again for joining. And now let's not waste time, and I'll dive in questions again. But before that, audience, if you
Yeah.
have any questions for Aishwarya and Ram, how did they create an entrepreneurial journey? How did they manage everything? You can definitely put in the comment section, and we will take it after some questions. All right. With that note, Aishwarya, how did Ram coming in the schoolwork, how joining hands with him create a difference in your routine? I mean, you were doing everything by yourself, managing 3 schools. But when Ram came in, was it more of positive, or did you feel more competitive that he'll perform better, he'll overdo better, and मैं रह जाऊंगी, or you had all that identity issues कि भाई वो ना अच्छा कर ले. It happens, that
So,
competitive spirit just
Ruchi,
comes in.
I want to tell one thing that it's both
Acha. Okay.
competitive as well as positive. So,
Okay.
competitive in a positive way, not in a negative way though, because
Okay.
I was handling one school and I was looking other works of 2 other schools. I really need a hand to help me out in a way I think, you know.
Right.
So
Right.
it was really a big time help for me. Like I think God came for rescue,
Wow.
and definitely it's competitive because he's more hardworking. He gives more time, and people really appreciates him for his for the hard work he does.
I
I
know
do the
that.
smart work. I do a work in 10 minutes. Ram, like I know it's important to give 1 hour also, but I try to do it
Ram is
fastly.
nodding. बाजू में बैठ के he's nodding nicely. हाँ, मेरे से
But
hard
it's
work
really
करवा रहे हो, तुम
it's
smart work करते हो.
no, actually he himself does that. It's not like anybody is telling him कि अच्छा ऐसा करना है because he manages everything really well. I'm telling you, like it's a big help for me, and definitely it's competitive because after him I have started doing a lot of things.
Wow, that's a compliment, Ram. But
Yeah,
then,
that's a
how,
compliment.
absolutely. But then, Ram, how do you maintain your work-life balance? So, if there is, suppose, a difference of opinion at work, how do
Mhm.
you stop it from not getting affected in your personal life? Because when I started working with Jeet, like long back, 3 years back, when I was not in this mental space, we used to carry work to home and home to work, and it was creating a mess in my life. We had no work life balance, absolutely whatsoever you said. So how do you manage your work life balance with Aishwarya?
So actually, this is the like I'm maintaining through answer to this question comes in 2 parts. The first thing
Okay.
is whenever we have this difference of opinion. So what see as a coach, what I have learned is like if you ask yourself powerful questions, like this will your mind will powerful answers. So whenever me and Aishwarya have a point difference of opinion कि हाँ हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं या ये इससे बेटर हो सकता है, कई बार ऐश्वर्या कहती है ये इससे बेटर हो सकता है, सो आई फील कॉम्पिटिटिव कि यार मेरा आइडिया अच्छा है, बट आई आस्क माई सेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन, does this person, मतलब क्या ऐश्वर्या मुझे सच में नीचा दिखाना चाहती है, या फिर
Yeah,
वो
demean, devalue. Right.
so क्या वो सच में ऐसा करना चाहती है? And my mind remembers all the positive things in our relationship, and my mind says no, she doesn't want to do this. So what we do is like कि then what happened is like कि this provides a path to the communication, कि उसके बाद एक वो है एग्रेशन नहीं आता कि मुझे उससे वैसे बात करना है, ऑल माई माइंड स्टेज काम, एंड वी टॉक आउट वेरी इजली कि हाँ हम आराम से बातें करते हैं कि आपका आइडिया ये है, मेरा आइडिया ये है, एंड दिस इज द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ माई आइडिया, दिस इज द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ योर आइडिया, बिकॉज in
Right.
that space जब mind relax हो जाता है, we consider each other's ideas pros as well as cons, and we try, and then it's like कि it's draw, like कि हाँ ठीक है अभी इसके ऊपर चलते हैं, if it works out it's okay, otherwise we'll move to the other person idea. And the second
Right.
thing is like how we manage our work life balance. See, we happen to have a very great mentor, Afin Khan, and my mentor told me one thing: unless you have some outcomes related to each other, you are not going to succeed in your life, in your relationship. So what we did is like कि हमारा क्या होता है कि we choose one outcome, हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि जो एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होती है, हम वो आउटकम चूज करते हैं, और हम आउटकम चूज करते हैं तो हम उस पर वर्क करते हैं, देखते हैं कि जैसे वो आउटकम पूरी हो जाती है तो देन वी डिसाइड नेक्स्ट आउटकम. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने करंटली से एक हेल्थ आउटकम चूज किया हम दोनों के लिए. सी आई वाज व्हेन वी केम टू आवर होम टाउन इन दिस कोविड, like I was 92 and kg, and Aishwarya was 72 kg, and we decided this cannot happen, मतलब like ये हमारे साथ नहीं हो सकता, being into work life and being into this much, like we make people understand the things, so we have to understand our health as well. So we decided कि हमारा outcome होगा कि हमारी health. So
Right.
in a matter of 1.5 month we lost 20 kgs together. So
Wow. मतलब मिल के 20
yeah,
किलो, मतलब 10 से तुमने 10 इन्होंने कि 20 पर पर्सन.
नहीं
No, Ram did 12 kgs, I did 8 kgs.
so yeah,
It's together.
so that's what so that's the funny part कि आपके पास एक आउटकम है, ये आउटकम आपको हेल्प करता है एक दूसरे के साथ
It bonds you basically,
इट
yes.
बॉन्ड्स यू बेसिकली कि आप ग्रो भी हो रहे हो, आप एक दूसरे को टाइम भी दे पा रहे हो, और आप एक दूसरे की
Right.
डिफरेंस भी समझ पा रहे हो. जब आपकी तीनों चीजें कवर होती हैं, योर रिलेशनशिप बिकम्स वेरी वेरी लाइक स्ट्रांग, यू
Right.
आपकी इंपॉर्टेंस बढ़ जाती है नॉट. सो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड इन आवर केस. एंड द सेकंड आउटकम, लाइक जैसे ही हमारा हेल्थ आउटकम पूरा हो रहा है, तो सेकंड आउटकम वी थॉट why not go for abs, like muscular body basically. So we both started.
Wow. So you have
Yeah,
also dreamt of that? Wow,
yeah.
that's amazing.
So we started working out, like functional training together, like that also gives us like the time
We
to
cooks
work out
together.
together, we cook together, and we
Wow.
work out together. So that gives us the time. These are our couple goals जहाँ हमें time भी मिलता है,
खाना
हम
बन
एक
पाता
दूसरे
है या सिर्फ ला 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 ला
नहीं नहीं
ला वही
नहीं,
हिलते हैं?
basically नहीं, to be honest, I just help Aishwarya in the kitchen work, and she cooks basically, cutting and all and cleaning and all I do, and she cooks, but we get each other's time, and in those moments we become naughty sometimes and all. So that's the like yeah,
That's
so that's so it's a mischievous thing, so that gives us
absolutely.
time, that gives us time and all, that gives us like this is a really a boost for us, this couple
Absolutely.
goals.
Is there any family member dependent on your cooking? I mean, food? मतलब उनको तो टाइम पे खाना मिल जाता है ना?
Yeah.
Yes,
Just kidding,
definitely.
guys. Just kidding. With that
I know,
note,
I know.
Aishwarya, how important? Because Ram just pulled up this point, I would like to add it further. How important it is for you? He is helping right now on his own choice, but how important it is for you that Ram should help me in my, like, in household work? मैं घर का काम अकेले क्यों देखूं? What kind of thought process you have in that direction?
So it's a very good question, and it's really very close to my heart also, because before marriage I always, my dad asked me always one question, that what kind of guy you want. So then I had just one answer: a guy who is more smarter than me, and more intelligent than me, and one more thing, like, who respects me, who respects my, time, everything. It doesn't matter he helps me or not. It's his choice,
Right.
it's my choice that I want to take the help, but he should be ready for that. He should not be a patriarchal person कि नहीं नहीं ये तो ऐसा lady का ही work है और नहीं नहीं मैं क्यों करूँ. No.
Right.
So
Right.
I really want that kind of guy, because I think if Ram would not be like that, I couldn't survive.
And if you ask me, like, if I gave this answer to this question now, if I see, my mother, she's a homemaker,
And
and
one, yeah, so
she's 60 years old, and she always taught me one thing, because my elders were a bit patriarchal, nahi women's काम करेंगे, घर का खाना बनाएंगे and all. But my mother always taught me one thing, कि when you grow up, as you're growing up, as you're growing up, you will never stop respecting women, and you will never stop like sharing their workload. And that was the biggest thing. I always have this point in my mind, like whenever I'm going to get married, so I'll try my best to help my partner out, कि हाँ मैं उसकी help कर पाऊँ किसी ना किसी वे में, किसी ना. And this gives me a satisfaction that she's not thinking that her work is just my work is important. She's
Right.
important too, giving the importance, like making someone special, making someone feel that yes, she also exists, she also have an identity. Basically,
Right.
like what I believe is, like if you make your partner believe she or he also have an identity, you
and we
Right.
both understand basically each other's love languages also. So my second love language is acts of service. And
Okay.
when he do something for me, I get really happy, and I'm like, wow. Because
Yeah, we
I
can
feel
see that blush on your face.
I
So
really
right
feel
now,
so
what
lucky.
you are doing is you guys are enjoying this Saturday life, but I am sure few girls on the calls would be like, "Dekho, suno, suno."
Definitely, for sure.
So, guys, it's very important to know each other's love language. Like Aishwarya just
Definitely.
said, that she's aware that what makes her happy, and if that is reciprocated by Ram, it gives her immense happiness. And also that
Yes.
Ram was talking about, that whenever there is a difference or difficulties or conflicts, he thinks about the positivity of relationship, and then he overcomes it. So for that also, I would wanted to add, because the network went off, I remember right now that I have understood that for every single negative thought or memory, you will have to create 5 positive memories. Only then it gets balanced. The ratio is 1:5 and not
yeah,
1:1. So if you
yeah.
guys are having like 5 negative memories, try and create as many positive memories as you can. All right, with that note, I would move on with my question. So today's topic, Ram, is all about interdependency. But before that,
Okay.
would you like to explain my audience the difference between dependency, independency, and then interdependency? If you can, in short, explain my
Yeah, sure. So, according to me, dependency means you depends on your partner, whether it's your money, whether it's for your decision, whether it's your like hobbies, like can I pursue it or can I not pursue it. And
right,
for me, independency means you are having just a belief that if things go wrong in your relationship, you don't need each other.
wow, absolutely true.
So so I just believe, and interdependency means what I don't completely don't believe in this independency idea. I believe that you married a person so that you can enhance your perception, you can enhance your views, you can enhance your beliefs, and you can enhance your values. So interdependency gives you a chance to be broader in your look, to be broader in your perception, and to include more positivity in your life. So interdependence means, like, if things go wrong, there is someone who can
Right,
or take care of, who can take you well, अब वो आपका ध्यान रख सकता है बिल्कुल, और आपको पाथ पर ला सकता है. Because this is
right,
that's how you progress in life, because we humans are like हम mistakes होंगी ही होंगी. But if you
right.
have one person company who always looks you high in your lows, that's absolutely amazing thing, and that's what interdependency means for me.
Wow. So what Ram is saying is dependency. Correct me if I go wrong. So
Yeah.
dependency is you completely have your dependency in your partner for your finance, for your food, for everything, everything, all the needs. You're just dependent on your partner. partner and you don't want to do anything by yourself. Independency, what he said very beautifully, is that whenever you are facing problem, you have a belief system that you don't need anybody and you're just good to go for yourself. And what interdependency Ram defined is you look up to each other for during your lows, during the time of push. Then the partner can kind of enhance you to become a better person, can empower you, can give you that kind of right platform where you can be a good person. Amazing. With that note, guys, are you even in there in this call? Send me a lot of comments, share questions, whatever you are doing today. Why the audience is super not interactive? I mean, it's a Saturday night. Come on, guys, jago, jago. Oh, and we are already 40 minutes, no, 35 minutes into the call, and I have still few more questions left, so I will get going. All right, Aishwarya. So this question is for you. So now, as we have understood since last half an hour that you both are on the same board, you both are on same page. So how does it benefit to your relationship on the overall, in the totality, like in the emotional front, on the mental front, spiritual front? How does it impact your relationship?
So, interdependent. Actually, I will not say that we are interdependent from the starting. In the starting,
Yes.
we were also thinking that we should be independent. We should work, on our own and everything. But gradually we understood this concept, because I have seen people are getting divorced because of this independency thing, and they are mentally frustrated. They are suffocating in themselves because of independency, this word independency.
Right.
And
Right.
after being in this interdependency, and we are each other, we are here for each other, that really gives us a mental pleasure.
Right.
Even it's on a subconscious level. You can't always express it, but it's always give
Right.
you that thing that in your mind, that your partner is always with you, no matter
Exactly.
what.
Right.
He or she is there for you, no matter what. कोई होगा
Right.
या नहीं होगा उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट इन द इंडिपेंडेंट यू आर ऑलवेज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, पता नहीं क्या होगा. मतलब I was totally lost when
Hmm.
I was with that fact. I'm telling you, like, it's my honest opinion. I was totally frustrated because I had my own opinions and Ram had his own opinions, and we were like fighting with each other. Like, all the day there were opinions, arguments, no clarity. It was really frustrating, but now we are at peace and we are working together, and it's really giving us happiness. And I'm really happy that we have made this decision together 1 year back, because we started this
Wow.
work together 1 year back, being a coach.
Wow, amazing. So now I
Yes.
can understand that you began your journey with not so good relationship dynamics, and then you learned from life, you learned from your experience, you understood that what kind of mental space your differences takes you into, and you didn't want to live an unhappy life. So you
Exactly.
changed since 1 year, and now you are much clear about what outcomes you are looking forward from this marriage, from your partner, and you are ready to be there for each other. But in this entire journey where you have already attained that kind of clarity, what kind of help did my couple clarity tool assessment did to you? Like, what difference did it create in your relationship?
So it
It
put
was actually, it was a big help for us. We understood each other in a better way. Before that, we were working on our strong parts, and now, like, we are working on our weaknesses also. We got to know what are our weaknesses now.
yeah, it was very helpful for us because put the things into the perspective how कि जैसे ऐश्वर्या ने बोला कि हम सिर्फ अपने पॉजिटिव पार्ट्स पे ही काम कर रहे थे. वी नो
Hmm.
देयर आर सम पार्ट्स व्हिच नीड्स टू बी वर्क, बट हम उन पे काम कर ही नहीं रहे थे. और टाइम के साथ उनके ऊपर काम ना करने से वो एक कुछ धुंधले धुंधले भी हो गए थे. बट जैसे ही इस क्लैरिटी टूल ने हमें, लाइक व्हेन वी डिड दिस क्लैरिटी टूल, we got our assessment and we knew कि yes, we have to work on this point. We are just making our stronger points more stronger, but still
Right.
we are not somewhere happy. And
Right.
this is the reason we have to take care of our points which we are not, which जहाँ हम अच्छे नहीं हैं. और अगर
Hmm.
हम ऐसा करेंगे तो our life can be balanced. And
Right.
as Ruchi, you have told us, life can move on a complete balanced wheel, not on an unbalanced wheel. So that
Absolutely.
was a
That was an
great
eye
help,
opener for us,
eye
definitely.
opener for us,
We were
definitely.
working on our self love, everything, but somewhere we don't understand, some things कि कहाँ पर काम करना है और कहाँ पे चीजें, change होने की जरूरत है. That those 10 commandments were amazing. Like those commandments opened my eyes actually.
Wow, wow. So how did you feel? Like I have literally broken down marriage into 10 different commandments. So what are your views
Yes.
on that? Like any couple can relate to those 10 commandments and can
Oh,
understand that in marriage totality ये 10 commandments हो गए तो अपना sort हो जाएगा.
definitely. Those 10 commandments are the pillars actually, I can say. 10 pillars of a marriage.
Wow.
पिलर्स के साथ साथ तो बहुत चीजों की जरूरत होती है, लेकिन पिलर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. नींव होती है, नींव के बिना तो कुछ भी नहीं है ना. अगर नींव स्ट्रांग है तो यू कैन
Absolutely.
बिल्ड एनीथिंग ऑन दैट. बट नींव ही अगर
Absolutely.
कच्ची है तो एवरीथिंग विल
Fall off.
डिस्ट्रॉय.
Right.
या
सो
फॉल ऑफ.
What about you, Ram?
मुझे तो एक बार शॉक लगा था कि 10 कमांडमेंट भी हो सकते हैं एक रिलेशनशिप लाइफ में. मुझे लगा 1 2 3 काफी होते हैं, बट जब मैंने 10 देखे कि मैंने बोला यार सीरियसली अब तो डेफिनेटली पता है कि लाइफ कहाँ गलत जा रही है, क्योंकि इतने सारे कमांडमेंट्स है तो डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ तो छूट रहे हैं. और
Right.
इन्हीं की वजह से समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि हैविंग योर 10 कमांडमेंट गेव मी मोर क्लैरिटी, and when I have more clarity I know how I can work out my relationship. Like this was the
Absolutely.
biggest thing for me. This gave me the clarity. And Ruchi, like if you have clarity you can achieve things, you can do
Anything.
things.
Anything.
And
Anything.
this tool gave me the clarity. This was the biggest point about this tool, कि मुझे क्लियर हुआ कि हाँ, कि मैं पहले कुछ एरियाज को कंसिडर ही नहीं करता था. नहीं नहीं, ये तो एप्लीकेबल होती नहीं होंगे, ऐसे कोई रिसर्च थोड़ी अगर होती तो अब तक आ जाती कहीं ना कहीं. बट it
You
was
have
an
done
eye,
really amazing job,
yeah,
really.
and it was an
Guys,
eye
you
Absolutely.
opener.
should go for it definitely, because it's an amazing tool which really helps you to know your partner more and yourself also, in a much better way, and you get that clarity.
Absolutely. And because Ram and Ashwarya, you are the last couple of the segment, the Valentine's week. And because it's the last live in the couple segment, I am going to offer this assessment tool today for absolutely amazing price. And I will be sharing the link in the comment post this call. So, guys, if you really feel that, I can create a little difference in your unhappy marriage or a conflict full marriage, I can really, ask you to take the tool and it would be pretty sorted. But you guys are not going anywhere because I still have two more questions for you, and I am really, really wanting to know that. But before I move to my last question, okay, this is a task. You know me; I always keep on giving you tasks.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I am going to give you a
Yeah,
task
sure,
over here also. Okay, I
sure,
am
sure.
actually. Why Ashwarya is like sure. She's nervous all the time. Okay, I have decided two tasks for you. Okay, so I'll begin
Okay.
with the
Okay.
task number one with Ram. Okay, so Ram, we've just spoken before the call, and you've told me that you have not got enough opportunity to kind of make your wife feel special. So here I am giving you an open platform where so many people are looking and viewing us. You can express your love. I want to have a little gratitude angle, but I want you to express love and make Ashwarya feel special and how important she is for you. Ashwarya, this is your moment.
Uh, before, after Roka, like I used to sing for Ishwarya, and I
Oh,
stopped. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I stopped doing that after our marriage, and I'll tell you one thing. Like the biggest thing is like 3 days back, as we were working with you, and 3 days back, I got this feeling for Ishwarya that which I had, which I had like after our Roka, till our Roka to our marriage. I look at her with the same intensities, with the same emotion, with the same passion, and I found it 3 days back. One that evening, I was just sitting, and I just a thought came to my mind, and yes, this is she's the same woman, and
right.
where did I go wrong? Like I just had this feeling, and I just don't know. I was just feeling the same intensity, same passion for her, same respect for her, and the, and on that day I just forgot to sing. So I'll just sing 2 lines.
Wow.
Voice is my voice is not so good.
Absolutely amazing. You can do that. It's okay. Nobody's here to judge you. That is the thing, whatever we do during the courtship out of emotions, we just do not do it any longer. So I see Rohit is already in to listen to you. So
Yeah,
I didn't
Rohit.
know you were a singer. How nice is that?
No.
All right, audience. So we have that moment. Ram, the stage is all yours. Please go ahead.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर घड़ी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा, यहाँ नहीं आ, जो नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है.
This
Pretty
is so
singing show नहीं चल रहा है.
cute. वही है लिसनिंग है अपने को तो ये वो भी आने लगे क्या बोलते हैं उसको फरमाइश
That's what I'm saying, Preeti. कोई singing show नहीं चल रहा है.
But this is so cute and adorable. I am missing my
Thank you.
husband altogether. So
Thank
you
you.
know, guys, I have never told this ever, but Jeet is also a very good singer, and he never
Oh,
sings.
wow.
वो सिर्फ वो जब लंबे he never sings. वो कभी-कभी बाथरूम से गुनगुनाने की आवाज आ जाती है तो मेरे को बोलना पड़ता है. No, he's not a bathroom singer. He sings really nice, but he's into himself only. You know him. He's a very introvert kind of guy.
रुचि आप मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हो.
So I'm feeling that love so much that you guys are so adorable and you should. Why did you even stop for the first place? I mean, why did you stop? This is what happens in Indian marriages. Courtship इतना hype कर देते हैं और शादी के बाद तो जैसे कि बस उनको गधा मजदूरी वाले काम पे लगा दिया और सब कुछ अपना प्यार वगैरह बुढ़िया बिस्तर मान के ऊपर डाल देते. सिर्फ जब हॉलिडे में जाते उसको अनपैक करते वापस पैक करके ऊपर रख देते. This is what it is. If you create such kind of moments, small moment, what did happen? Ram just gave in 2 lines and look at the kind of vibe and feel it is. Yeah, definitely Rohit, I will firstly convince him to come live with me and then I will convince him to come and sing with me. I am not a good singer, he is. So definitely Rohit, we will do that. We'll pull Jeet online. So this is the beauty of creating that small moments in your relationship. I am sure Aishwarya would, cherish this moment for at least next 10-15 days. That beauty of that small thing you did, and she is going to have that smile at least for this entire night and week, and she's going to enjoy it because कोई उसको मिलेगा उसने वो उसे मिलके बोलेगा, राम ने तेरे लिए गाना गाया, क्या बात है. And look at the way she's blushing. She's already into love with you. Amazing. But I am a couple clarity coach and I would not only support females, I would also support males. So Aishwarya, you will have to reciprocate your feelings for Ram and you will have to express and tell him how important he is for you.
I always tell him this thing that, you are the person who can handle me. There is no one. Like, I couldn't imagine. Like, I was, I got married at the age of 22. And before that, I was just thinking, I really don't want to get married. And all the friends were telling me, you got married, like, before us. And I was like, I got that person because, who can handle me?
Right.
Because I'm a tough girl and I think myself I'm a tough girl and nobody can handle me, and Ram is so good. I'm really grateful for him, really.
Amazing.
Like,
so do you know? Please complete.
I am really bad at giving surprises. I'm really bad at giving gifts, but I'm really good to be grateful.
Achha, so that is a very nice thing she is told. I am bad at giving gifts. I am bad at doing this, but I'm grateful हो जाऊंगी. राम तुम उनको गिफ्ट देना और मैं grateful होंगे. Thank you राम, तुमने मुझको गिफ्ट दिया. Amazing. No,
obviously, he always gives me gifts. I don't know.
Next 15 minutes बचे अपने दोनों के. We'll work on that part also, and we'll make you gift him a lot. Awesome. So, Ish Preeti Tiwari, your friend, she's asking, are you able to give time to your friends after your relationship? So she is too much into Ram and Aishwarya, too much into each other. Why will they give time to friends? Okay, so is she your friend, Aishwarya?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
Okay, please go and meet her for some kind day. Just to give her
Yeah,
time.
definitely there is a change. Obviously, after marriage, that I couldn't give much time to my friends. But whenever I give whole time to my friends. Like if I'm with them, I'm with them. No around them. And it's just not because of the relationship. It's because of the work also. It's because of the family also.
Yes.
Things has changed a little bit, but we are in a good connection till now, and we are into the friendship from last 5 years, and we have the same bond. We are sharing the same bond this time also, and it's my pleasure to have these amazing friends because कोई किसी की अभी शादी नहीं हुई है, सिर्फ मेरी हुई है और फिर भी मुझे झेल रहे हैं लोग. So it's
Okay.
my pleasure that I have lovely friends, I have a lovely husband, I have lovely, mastermind with whom I can
Absolutely.
share anything, and with whom I can, I can take help anytime.
Absolutely.
I am
Yes.
so
That's
lucky.
yeah, you are. And Ashwar, that is what I tell to my couples as well. If you be around people who are continuously negative about a relationship or marriage, it will kind of impact your marriage as well because you will carry home their perspective, their thought process. So yes, Preeti is very happy with your answer and she has sent a lot of hearts. And with that note, we are on our last question for the night. Ram and Ashwarya, remember I had two tasks for you. So let me first complete my last question and I will then give you the task number two. Okay. Alrighty.
okay.
So the last question is Ram, what is your idea of happily ever after?
My I think respect
Mm-hmm.
to each other's personality, each other's work, and each other's dream.
Mm-hmm.
And because respect gives you the stability, surety, and the confidence in your relationship. Because till
Absolutely.
you have respect for yourself, for your partner's dreams and desire, ambitions, you can sort the things out. And this is the absolute and most amazing thing. And the second thing is time.
Right.
Couple goals. First is respect,
Right.
second is the couple goals. You should have couple goals so that you can give time as well. So these are the two absolute things you need to have in a relationship.
Right. What about
For
you,
me, for
Ashwarya?
me, for me, definitely one is respect, because if you respect each other, then there is love and there is commitment, there is understanding. Without respect, there is nothing. Second
True.
is no egos, because egos really destroy the relationship in a big time, like in a big
Completely
way.
agree.
Because I have realized that thing by myself, because it's my own experience. I didn't know that I had that thing in me, but I had, and I really improved that. And I'm working on it now also, because that really comes in between, and that really stops you to have a conversation, that really stops you to have, to appreciate somebody or to appreciate your husband. That is a big no from my side. Yes. So these
Amazing.
two things are
Amazing.
the important for me. Yes. Other are definitely those 10 commandments you told. Really, they are very important. But these two things, comes.
Matter to you a lot,
Yeah.
right, as a priority. Awesome. With
Exactly.
that note, guys, I have put the link of the tool of the assessment, the couple clarity assessment, right in the comment section. If you think it can create a difference in your life, definitely go and check it out because I have kept it in an absolutely amazing price. You will not have to even think twice. All right, Ashwarya and Ram, and here comes the task number two. And but this task
Okay.
is for Ram, okay, not for Ashwarya.
Okay.
Ram, what you have to do is, because it's a Saturday night, it's beautiful outside, it's raining and everything, you will have to take Ashwarya on a long drive. Maybe you guys can
Okay.
sing together and you guys can, listen to music, eat your favorite food. Maybe कोई टपरी विपरी खुला रहेगा तो you can have tea together. I don't know what is on and what is not, but if you can maybe go for a drive, or if that is not allowed due to any conditions, you can go for a walk. Deal?
Yeah, yeah. Walk will
Yes,
be
yes, yes. Deal.
walk will be a much better idea because there is a curfew outside 10 to 5.
Absolutely. So I mean, Bhiwandi. So I am basically in Bhiwandi, and here curfew वगैरह का सब कुछ लग नहीं रहा है. So I thought of a drive, but I thought that हाँ शायद मुंबई में होगा. Where are you guys, by the way, right now?
Bhiwani,
For this time, we are in hometown, Haryana.
Bhiwani, Haryana, Bhiwani.
Oh, you guys are in
It's
Haryana. I didn't know that.
yeah.
I thought you were in Mumbai only.
No,
Oh,
no, no.
okay. So how are you
Luckily, we
managing
came
schools from
before.
Haryana?
Our schools are in Haryana only. We are basically from Haryana.
Oh, lovely. I didn't
Yeah.
know this thing at all. Like, for the matter of information, I was missing out on this part. All right. So, okay. So,
No
curfew,
problem.
no escape. But you guys can go for a walk, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Sure. बिल्कुल
definitely.
बिल्कुल
Cool,
बिल्कुल.
cool. And have a beautiful night together. Have an amazing Saturday night. Recreate the romance. Remember all those things that you had done during your courtship, like singing songs, maybe other things that maybe you must be missing out. Ashwarya, you can add to the flavor. You can add your part of romance and then let it be. Let it just flow. Alrighty, with that
You
note,
have
we
already
come to
made
the
it very
end.
special for us, and we are gonna make it definitely. Thank you so
So
much,
much,
Ruchi.
Ruchi. Seriously, thank you so much. And
It's been
after
fun with you.
It's my
It's been
and
pleasure.
really fun.
seriously, after your call, after your call, some days back, I can see the changes in Ishwarya. Like she's trying the things. Like she's trying the things. That's the biggest thing. When you try something, you definitely can bring the change.
Thank you so much for your
That's
help
true of
as
it.
well.
Yeah.
No, it's my pleasure. I'm so happy that I could, create that one little change in your life, and it's bringing on to such beautiful things out there. Someone is singing,
Definitely.
someone is
Being a
blushing,
coach, I
so
can
many.
say.
So my purpose is getting solved. So thank you so much for being this part of journey, and we still have another 20 days left to proceed on this
Yeah.
journey, and I'm really looking forward to create a massive impact in your life as well. With that note, we are ending our live session. Thank you so much, guys, for being an amazing audience, and thank you, Rama and Aishwarya, for joining us. My audience totally loved this kind of. So they were all attentive and they were all listening. And then when Rohit came in, the fun started. So Rohit is all my, that fun person.
Fun guy.
Alrighty, fun guy. Alrighty, bye bye, guys. Good night, and you all the couples out there, stay happy, stay in love, create a beautiful Saturday night because happily ever after does exist. Bye bye.
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 Bye.